What's up, guys? Justin here. Oh shit, my phone. What's up, guys? Justin here for another video. And right now it is fucking 8:21. It's cold as shit. It's early as fuck. Right now, me and Jamar, he's all upstairs in my house. Me and Jamar are about to go to court. Well, technically it's for me. I have to go to court because a while back when we were going to Wawa to do something on his car, my car, I had got pulled over and I got 5 tickets. I got one for, and it was all for his car. I got one for altered rod height, and then like exhaust, the bent plate, no registration, and no inspection. So yeah, we printed out some pictures hoping this would be our saving grace. And you know, with the plate not bent, with the rod height up. It's another one, it's just in black and white. And we like did the measurement shit, because according to the law it's supposed to be no lower than 14 inches from the crash bar, something like that. So yeah, hopefully these pictures will help out and they'll just say, oh well, you know, whatever, and dismiss it. But if they don't, then oh well, we tried our best. Right now, let me warm this car up because it's about 8:30-ish and we need to get on the road. Cold start. Well, rough cold start, but nonetheless, cold.
20 minutes later.
Well, wish us luck, boys. I hope they drop this shit, y'all, because...
1 hour later.
Alright, guys, so I have to pay $170. Oops,
I have to pay $175.
Yeah, you have to pay $175 because this is your fucking car. I had to pay $175 because the dumb bitch-ass judge could have dropped this shit, but he decided not to, so... And they didn't even look at the pictures at all. Like, wasted that fucking ink for nothing. Alright, so we're about to go to DMV because I gotta, like, figure out some other shit. And, hope my license isn't suspended. Because I forgot to pay all my tickets, so...
I think what I think is what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I think what I think is what you make it. Always try to give, don't ever take it. I think what I think is what you make it. Always try to give.
Well, as the title of this video would suggest, right now we're at his car about to get some stuff. I don't know. Oh, he's about to get his coilovers because he needs them rethreaded because he fucked the threads up. And then we're going to Raymond's house. I don't think I've showed you guys him in my video before. Oh, I might have one time. To get him to do my exhaust, and he's gonna rethread his coil for him. What? You bringing all of them? No. Not giving his car a proper walk around in a long time in any of my videos. But he's about to change it up soon as always, so there's no point in me even... Huh? The stretch? You want to show the stretch? Oh, look at that stretch. This dude has a 195 stretch on a 10-inch wheel. These are 15 by 10s. Look at that stretch, yo. Look at the lippage. The lippage. Oh, hey! Someone stole your whip. Huh? Hello? He got someone's car in the garage. I'm about to see. Oh, this is 4-door EK. Automatic. Is this really that dude Gustavo's car? What's wrong with it? Yeah, he's definitely giving me this intake. Oh, I got a brand new battery. Look. Look. I want to drop my phone.
Hey, what do you do? She thinks you got something.
Oh, she think I'm gonna throw it.
No. She doesn't know what that is that you got in your hand.
Look, it's a camera that I paid way too much fucking money for. Let's hear what this bad bitch sound like. I'm super excited. Look, he got cameras. Sorry. Fire.
Or pull it forward a little bit.
It was about to turn on. Having a few issues out here. There we go. Okay.
Shit. Back that car up.
Is that your cable still?
God damn.
You're here.
Dude, that shit is a fucking grizzly. The water. Right? Man, you got trust in your vehicle.
I forgot. Oops. I forgot I had it on.
Man, you fucking from out here.
Bro, that shit is loud as shit. I couldn't even hear myself talking.
That's 3,500 RPM.
He what?
Yeah, I heard you. Come on. Alright.
We handling
I'm about to scare. I'm about to scare the shit out of him. Is he gonna come this way? I'm about to scare the shit out of him. We know. Scared your ass. What's up? No, I'm gonna use him. If all goes well. If not, then I'm gonna buy some more.
What are you gonna do? You're just gonna
No, I'm gonna use the muffler and I'm gonna like have him coming out. Like
Bro,
I'm not
talking
gonna.
about those, the black tips.
Yeah, he's cutting them
I'm
up.
gonna use everything. Watch
Oh,
what I
you
do.
are? Okay.
Watch what I do.
That's what I asked
I know exactly what he's gonna do. He's gonna clean up that fucking water pipe and still use it.
Oh well, I mean I ain't using that much of it. Sure.
How much you wanna bet he's gonna reuse that? He's gonna clean up that fucking water pipe and reuse it.
Yeah, I know he is. And he gonna flatten it out.
And then cut one of those pipes shorter than the other and have the whole shit twisted. one thing, when it comes to that fucking fabrication and shit,
I moved out the way because that shit's spinning. That's gonna come on fucking.
That's a good thing. Uh-huh.
Yo, you better edit that shit out.
What?
Me.
Oh, you. What?
look, you can see yourself, so I can do that, man.
Oh, nice.
Okay, cool. But I'm gonna take it back and get my money.
Minus 8.
You should do a video. And then
Walking like I thought.
Custom exhaust getting made soon by me, yours truly. When you put it all together, I'm gonna put it on and explain it like I did it myself, and not give you credit.
No problem. Clout. I just go in there and shit you. Clout.
Well, it'll be back. Where do you think you're going?
You ain't going.
Look this way.
You always talking about you about to ride. Sit your ass down.
Look this
I
way.
got the same bag from Allen.
I'm zoomed in for dramatic effect.
For my cake.
All right, boys. Custom exhaust in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, I got 500 followers already. No, I'm joking.
Many months later.
I said in the first clip that my camera was spazzing out on. I'm here getting an exhaust done. Custom exhaust done to my car. It's gonna be tilted like a Subaru or a Supra, and it's gonna have 2 tips, and it's gonna be staggered.
With no muffler.
With no muffler. So hopefully it sounds better. I saw that. Other things that I did was I set up Del Sol seats. What else did we really do? I got upper control. Well, I had this Skunk 2 camera kit on there, but it was a piece of shit and the bushings were fucked up. And they would like make a bunch of noise on the highway. Like, look at that. It's not supposed to do that. So they would make a bunch of noise on the highway. So I got stock Integra uppers on here now. What else? I feel like it's something else though. I got different wheels again. For now, I'm about to get these diamonds. If Raymond wants to trade, just let me know. You know, for those 16s that I got for my car, because I really don't like. Someone else told me to let me know if I was. But anyways, I lowered it more in the rear. So when he gets done with that, I get to jack up the front and fuck with the exhaust in the front and lower it more in the front as well. As you can see, he's about to do the exhaust because I don't know how to weld. Hopefully I can get taught how to weld, but yeah. So I'm gonna let him handle that while me and Jamar are over here chilling. I need to put this other seat in, but my fat ass can't squeeze in between it. So I'll do that later. Don't forget to remind me to put the seat up so we won't drive back seatless. So that's what's been going on because this shit is just like all over the place. So yeah. So the reason I didn't show the last part, when the exhaust is actually completed and finished and what it sounded like and blah 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 blah, is because this camera that I just got, a Sony A5100, was messing up. Well, it really wasn't the camera messing up. It was the SD card, the lock, like to lock the SD card. The switch was like stuck and it kept like messing with the camera and it wouldn't want to record any videos anymore. But anyways, I got that situated. So right now I'm gonna show you guys the exhaust completed, what it sound like and what's it look like, and you know, that type of stuff. So let's go. Well, boom. That's it. 2 little pea shooters. Yeah. You know, from the side, I don't really like it. Like if you look deep in there, but still looks pretty cool. Let me start it up for you guys. As you can see, the Del Sol seats are in as well. I'm about to go vacuum the car right now because it's dirty and the seats are a little damp. So, see, I got my pajama pants on. It's 8 o'clock. I woke up at like 6 o'clock to finish the rest of this video that you're watching right now to make another video. So, yeah, finish with that. But, yeah, I got the Del Sol seats in. This one is not like, I think I broke the weld to the one, to like the bolt in the back. So it's not like in secured all the way, but fuck it, I don't really give a damn. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Tell your friends about my videos because I am this close to 450 subscribers, so I really need the help. Smash the like button, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the exhaust. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Was it stupid? Was it ricey? I don't know. But peace out, and I'll catch you next video. Peace.